is Salmon. Today I'm gonna present about my project. My project is about the color from the nature. Why I choose this project? Because my house have a lot of flowers, so I think can we make it to a color, so I want to try it, so I make this project. You can use a flower or a dirt to make a color. The thing we need today is water, mortar, some flowers and some dirt. How we used to do is first pick the thing you need. It's the flower called cosmos, or in Thai called ดาวกระจาย They give us orange. Next is blue pea. In Thai it's called anshan, and it gives us the dark blue. Next is the rose. It gives us a little bit some pink. And the last one is the Kanika flower. It gives us the yellow. First, we need to pick up a flower. Something I choose cosmos, and we need to pull the flower out and put into a mortar. Next, add some water and smash it. And we got the color. You can try.
Can we ask you some question, because we got so many colors over here? Yeah, that you made it by yourself, am I right? Can you explain what is the color from?
This yellow color is from the Kanika flower.
Kanika flower, okay.
Next, the yellow color the orange color is from the cosmos.
Cosmos. Can we see?
Yes.
Can you pick up the cosmos?
Yeah, but it's not beautiful.
Wow. So, can you see it, right?
Next is the dark blue from
Dark blue.
blue pea.
This is from
Blue pea.
blue pea. Can I have blue pea over here?
Yeah.
See the blue here?
This
Blue pea.
rose, but it have a little color, so we need to.
You got to mold it some more.
It's and it's more than pastel pink.
So, can I ask about the mortar? This is the mortar which used to mixing the color, or
It's the mortar
that you use for cooking?
Cooking.
For cooking?
Yes.
That's the same, nothing's different.
No.
Okay. What about this one?
It's white dirt and it's red dirt.
Oh, can I see the dirt?
Here the red one.
The red one?
And this the white one. It's
This is
a
the
little
white
bit
one.
yellow.
Oh. And that's a rose?
Yes, it's a rose.
This is a rose, and here is what is that?
Kanika flower.
This is also Kanika, and this is Kanika flower. This look white, but it's keep yellow.
Yes. You can choose the color that you want and draw it.
So, anyone wanna try mixing the color and mortar? Yeah. Because many people Paring Shuk with salmon. Okay. Doraemon can Paring Shuk only hammer, so everyone win. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here. Here. Okay, you can try it first.
You want to try a purple?
A dirt.
What color do you want? Orange? Yeah. But we need to mix it in this.
Next, what do we need to do?
Smash it.
Smash. Oh boy. Like that. Pui Nun wanna try? I think Nam Khao and Platu wanna try too. Don't. Okay, Nam Khao, wanna try? And Platu. Next, what do we have to do next? Spray the water.
Put the dirt into a plate or something and put the water and mix it.
You can you pass me the plate? Okay. Put it in here. Then what?
Put the water.
Can you spray water? Don't spray her face, okay? In here. Spray it. Spray it. And then mix, right? Hello?
Yes.
I think it is.
More water. More.
Oh, okay. Can you help me mix? Come on.
Yes, I will.
Oh, this is cool. Okay,
You
thank
can
you.
try on the paper.
You can try on the paper. Okay. Then Bubble and Kamin. Which one would you like to try? Rose.
You can use the. Can I have some water?
And then smash. So as we know that your mom, she has a business called Edible Flowers, yeah?
Yeah.
So this color can be used for like mixing the food, like food coloring.
Yes, but I think it needs to use a lot. So, but if you use a little, it don't
No
stay.
color in the food. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What color do you like?
Blue.
Blue. This is from blue pea.
Blue pea.
Yeah, peas mean ถั่ว blue pea. Today, Chef Salmon to change the topic. Ooh.
It's so pretty. If they have a many, they will get a more color.
Before we try drawing the color and use the color of nature, could you guys give big hands to Salmon, please? Don't come. You can come closer, okay? Don't be so shy. Okay, here. What are you drawing, Bubble? Can you tell me?
Tree.
The trees? How did you get this idea?
I don't know. It popped up in my brain.
Oh yeah, that is very beautiful one. Is that flowers?
Yes.
Wow. What color do you use?
Rose and
Blue pea.
blue pea.
Rose and blue. Blue from blue pea.
Yes.
Yeah. Any pea is not that pea. P ถั่ว it's not P. Okay? If you use that P, it can be yellow, not the blue one. Blue P, blue plea, อัญชัน blue P. So, okay, that's very beautiful one. What is it, Kamin?
It's a braid.
Is what?
A braid.
Braid?
Braid. Oh, maybe you should call it bomb.
Bomb?
Yes, it's a braid. It's a braid bomb. When we draw the braid, it will splash up.
Oh, okay, I see.
Not you.
It's brown color, so it
Yes.
can be the blade, not the poop and then bomb.
No.
No. Okay. What is it? What is it, Puinun?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You said that it is a song, yeah?
No.
What song is that?
No.
Not
it's
a song?
Not a song.
It's not a song. What is that? Potato?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
What is it? What is it? Nice. What is it? Sky? Sky. Okay, I see. Patu, are you enjoying yourself? Yes. What is it?
Eagle.
Eagle? Ah, eagle in the desert? Yes. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Pun, what is it?
เรากลายเป็น
The sea
ขนมปัง
and the
Crown.
crown, and this is science. Not anyone but. You know but? When they are. Is Mata your dog? Ah, your dog's singing in the water?
Singing.
Singing. Sinking.
Brown.
Drawn, yeah. Not singing. Okay. Salmon, do you like this project? Yeah, that's wonderful. What about Ria? What picture are you drawing?
A house and it's near the cliff of the water and a boat with 3 people sailing in it and a person waiting.
Oh, okay.
I draw this because I don't know what to draw and I could draw only Kikang Man.
Oh, okay, I see. What about here?
They're not worms, but they're like the weights, but they look like worms.
I think this is a little worms with a factory release a toxic into the sea. So the worms getting bigger and going to destroy the city, and everyone is going to die. What about your picture over here? What is it?
It's a tree
It's a tree?
because I see tree window.
Oh, okay. You are inspired by the tree outside the window. มีส่วนร่วมใช่ Okay, Pawan. What is this picture? I know this is the whale. Is it?
Yes. It's have planet, train, dinosaur, 2 people, eyes, and cat.
Oh, wow.
And the taste color.
Oh, so you're tasting the color. I can see, is that a cat?
Yes.
Oh, you have signature in your drawing, you know. You know. So I see this picture. I know that this is Plawan signature. Cool. What about bubble? Wow. Look. Tell me, can you describe the picture?
It's a tree. I don't know what to draw, and this one pop up in my brain.
Uh-huh.
And
You painted with what color? You can tell me.
I painted with blue pea and rose
Wow.
and this one
Mm-hmm. That's a dirt.
and the
Wow. Would you like to sell this picture if someone wanna buy it?
yes, because I got money.
Oh, you can get money. Oh, okay. Do you like to use the color of nature?
Yes.
Ah, right. This look very beautiful.